Hi everybody, today I will show you how to add Google AdSense to your WordPress. Alright, so now you can see here our WordPress website that is pretty simple, it's just a basic template. Okay, so how can we add the AdSense to our WordPress website? So for that we have to do the two things. First of all, we have to go to the Google AdSense and create an AdSense account there. And the second thing is that we have to install a plugin in our WordPress that would actually connect the AdSense with our WordPress website. Okay, so first of all, let's just go to the Google. Okay, now we have to go to the AdSense. We have to create the account now, so I would simply click on get started. Let's just go with our Gmail here, hit the enter, and our AdSense account is created. So first of all, I have to provide my website to the Google AdSense. So I would go to our website. I will simply copy our website's link. Just need to paste it here. And in the country, you have to define your country, but you have to remember that you can only define your country once, and after that you won't be able to change it. Okay, so you have to be careful with that. So let's just start using AdSense. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside the dashboard of our Google AdSense account. So as you can see here, we have the homes, we have the ads, and in the ads we would have our website. Okay, so as you can see our website here, and auto ads are actually off here. If you want to actually set the layout for the ads on your website, you can actually do it from here. Okay, so let's just go back and we can go into the sites. So I can actually add the multiple sites here, and as you can see here that the approval status actually requires the review here, so we have to apply for the review. Alright, so let's just go back to the dashboard of our WordPress website, and from here you just have to go to the plugin, and inside the plugin I would add a new plugin here. Okay, and I have to search for the Google AdSense here. And as you can see the plugin here, the site kit by Google, it actually includes the Google Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, and the speed. Okay, so I have to install this. Okay, and I have to activate this. Alright, so as you can see here that the Google site kit is activated. Now I have to start setup, so it would actually connect our AdSense account with our WordPress website. So click on the sign in with Google, and now we have to sign up with the account on which we have created our Google AdSense account. Alright, so first of all, the Google has to verify your site ownership, so I would click on the verify. Okay, so the ownership is verified, and the second thing is to turn on the metrics in the dashboard, so I would allow that. And the third thing is to set up a search console, so I would set up the search console here. And the last thing is to set up Google Analytics, so let's just click on the next. Alright, so as I checked on the Google Analytics earlier, so I have to create the Analytics account now. You just have to log in with your AdSense account, set all the permissions and continue. Let's just accept the terms of Google Analytics. Okay, so I accept, go back to the dashboard. Alright, so let's just go into the monetization here. So now I actually have to connect our AdSense account, so click on the connect now. Alright, so we have connected the AdSense account with the WordPress website, but right now our AdSense account is not ready to show the ads because we have to add some details in AdSense account, and then we have to apply for the monetization. Alright, so this is how it works, and this is how we can connect the AdSense account with our WordPress website. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.